What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Skylor from Ninjago. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two small circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. So we'll start from the very top, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Along the top of each eye, we're going to add the highlight, adding a small circle coming down and up. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around those highlights. Above each eye, we're going to add in the lashes. Let's start from the top left, go around the eye, down, and then curl that back up. Same thing on the right. I just want to trace this along the top to make it a little bit thicker. So we're going to go up, and then bring that down towards the inside of the eyes. Let's fill the lashes in black. Let's add in the eyebrows. Above the left eye, we're going to curl this up, bend that down, line that up on the right. Now I want to flatten off the inside of the brow with a straight angled line, and we'll taper this so it gets narrower as you go out towards a point. Now I want to draw the top edge of the mask above the eyes. So we're going to step over toward the left, bend this up, across the eyebrows, and then back down towards the right. And then we're going to add a fold, curling this around. Now it's going to go up and then in on an angle. Let's close off the top of the head, starting back over on the left. We'll go up in the middle, round out the head, go across, and then back down. Now let's go back to the bottom corners. Just going to curve the head, coming down and in. And we'll draw that mask across the face. So we're going to go across underneath the left eye, go up in the middle, down underneath the right eye, and then back out. Let's draw the edge of the mask, starting on the left, come down, and then bend that in. Now I want to add some more folds along the side of the mask. Let's start on the left, coming around, and then bending that in. Let's add another fold, stepping down, come down, and then in across the bottom. And then we'll add one more fold, back on the left, come down and in. I'm just going to pull that down towards the center point. Let's round out that point, go up and out towards the right, and just tuck that in. Let's add those simple characters in the center of the forehead. So we're starting on the left, curve this across and then out. Flatten off the ends with an angled line. I'm just going to trace that curve back in towards the center, leaving a gap. And we'll draw on the top. Bend this out towards the left, round at the top, and then come back down on the right side. Now there's two parts that come out along the side. So we'll start on the left. Come down and out, come in and up, and then bend that back out towards the left. Let's draw the right side. Start from the top, come down and out, round this out, come in, and then back up. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right, do the same thing. Now we're going to close off the hip with a curve. Now I want to add that belt in the center of the body, starting with the knot. So we'll start in the middle, then it's up and across towards the right. Now I'm going to add a fold, going up and then down, go back up, go around the side, and back in towards the bottom. Let's go back to this point, bend this around and then down. And then along the bottom, we're just going to add two small folds. Let's draw the top edge of the belt, starting from the knot, then it's out and then up along the side. Let's move up along the side, then it's in and then down. And we want to trace this along the bottom. Let's add a large circle on the top left side of the body, starting underneath the head, going out towards the side of the body, and then back up. We'll just trace that along the inside. On the bottom of that circle, add that strap, and bend this down and out, step up, and then draw that again. Let's go back to the center of the knot, step down, draw a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel, go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, curve this down and up. Same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side and curve the top of the foot, going up, then bend that down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now going back up to the hips, let's curve the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add some more detail to the body. We'll start with the belt coming down along the side, leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left, bend this down and out, go to the right, do the same thing. Now I'm just going to curve the bottom of the belt, going up and out, and I'll taper this so it gets narrower as I come back in underneath the belt. Now underneath all this detail, we're going to add the flaps of the shirt. Let's start underneath the head on the right, curve this down and out, in behind that strap, continue across towards the left. Now I want to come down underneath the belt, then it's out and then down. And now we're going to curve this all the way across towards the right side, underneath the belt, across the middle, and then down. Let's trace these lines along the inside on the right. Now I'm going to add in the knee pads. Let's start on the left, come straight in, add that bevel, come straight down with a short line, and do the same thing across the bottom. Angle this down and out, and go all the way across towards the outside of the leg. Let's trace these lines along the inside. And we'll split that center area in half with one more line. Let's go back to the inside of the bevel, draw two lines coming in towards the inside of the leg for the strap. Now with the body complete, we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body with the inside edge. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's round this out, going out and then up. Now you want to follow that same curve along the outside, so we're going to go up and bend that in underneath the head. Now we're going to tuck the hands in underneath the wrist with a circle with an open end along the bottom. So let's start on the top, start with the left side, going all the way around and in, go to the right side, come along the inside towards the bottom. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Let's round up the tip of the hands and then trace that circle along the inside. Let's draw the back of the arrow tucked in behind the left shoulder. So we start up here, draw a straight angle line going up and out, flatten off the end, follow that back in. Now I want to simplify the feathers. From the top corners, start with the bottom, going all the way around, and back in towards the bottom, and tuck this in behind the head. And then from that outside, we're just going to angle these lines coming in towards that center stick. And then we'll sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Skylor from Ninjago. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.